Okay, here we go. So today we're going to show you how to do a bench test. We're going to put power directly to the compressor. This is a scroll compressor. Okay, and we're going to use one of the diagrams here. So what we're going to do is get L1, and then it's going to go straight to your run winding, which we already identified the terminals. When is your run, common, and start. And then we're going to come back here and bring it to your capacitor, which is your common. Look here, your common, there's one common, fan, and your hermetic, which is your start winding. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wire it up, and I'm going to do a bench test, and this is going to tell you if it's the compressor or any other component that's keeping this compressor off the AC unit. Alright, so go ahead, I'm going to get L1. Right now you can designate anything that's L1 and L2 right here. So just designate one that's going to be hot all the time. Alright, so he's doing this, putting L1 straight to the run winding. And we already identified all the run windings, which is your run, common, and start. If you see here, run, common, and start. We already identified the terminals, which is very, very important. So what he's doing is bringing power from here to the run winding, and also is a bridge. From the bridge is going all the way to common, to your capacitor. Okay, so he's got this. He did the run winding all the way to common on your capacitor, and it's going to go from hermetic all the way to your start winding. Find hermetic. Hermetic is on here, right? And then bring it to your start winding.
Start winding.
Correct.
Hermetic. Oops, I'll have to redo that.
All right. So rewire your common. Rewire the run winding first. Make sure they're all touching.
Yeah, this is.
Make sure all the wires are touching, making contact.
It's gonna keep falling off. Yeah, you can pause it now.
Pause the video.
Want me to pause it?
Yeah.
But if I pause it, which one is pause?
Pause should be.
Oh, if I do